Hi Porsche 917 fans, it's April 24th I think. It's Tuesday. I have everything wired and cleaned up almost pretty much, and I'm going to start try to start the engine and see how it runs. And I want to see if my brake lights work, and then that'll be it. Gotta sell this car quick. Pass the word, please. Oh, be still my heart. Phew. Oh, God, it stinks in here. All right, so that's it. I got brake lights. It runs. It sounds good. I've got to clean up the... Oh, wait a minute. I'll show you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm doing this backwards with the... I don't even know what you're looking at here. But anyway, see, I got, this is the end of the wiring. This whole massive stuff. I just got to make it look neat, and the new owner can have their electrician just go through the whole thing and make it nice. I mean, they could do it in their sleep with their eyes closed. I'm having a coronary here. So, I don't know. Okay, that's it. I'll see you later.